The Navis Twistlocks app is a new mobile application that is specifically designed for your team completing pinning in the yard. It replaces tedious manual logging of information with an easy-to-use digital tool that directly communicates with your N4 terminal operating system. Looking up the correct instructions for a load container is done upon arrival of the truck, speeding up your operations significantly. The information can be shared simultaneously with any member of your team, allowing you to reorganize your crew along a more streamlined and efficient workflow. The app coordinates the team, turning it into a synchronized unit where everyone is able to keep their focus on the physical work at hand. You can now create a much safer environment for the pinning clerks on the ground, making risky activities much less likely to occur. The Twistlocks app is available for both mobile phone and tablet use. The UI also has a high contrast night mode to make it easy on the eyes in any lighting condition. Large buttons and inputs facilitate an effortless handling of the app, even with your gloves on. Let's take a look at how the Twistlocks application works. In this example, we are showing a dual pinning station with a hut on each side of the truck lane. A truck arrives with a 40-foot container and the ID number of the vehicle is entered. The app immediately identifies the container, showing its number, destination, position on the ship, as well as the type of pin to be used. The graphical representation of the container clearly visualizes where pinning is required. When ready to begin the process, the user tabs on the Start Pinning button and a timer indicates that the work on the container is underway. On both sides, each team now will get the pin, apply it to the container, and return to their hut. Only when both pinning teams have marked their part as safe, the app will automatically switch the stoplight for the truck from red to green, telling the driver it is now safe to depart. The app then queues up to the next pinning job and is ready to process the next arriving vehicle. The Twistlocks app can accurately display each possible type of pinning situation a crew might encounter. For a vehicle with a 45-foot container, it is clearly indicated which castings get the pins. For terminals with a setup of only one pinning station per vehicle, switch to single mode. An individual team is now able to manage the pinning process by themselves. The Navis Twistlocks mobile app is the opportunity for your terminal to create a faster and more effective pinning operation while saving cost and creating a safer work environment for your entire crew. Visit our website at navis.com for more information or contact your Navis account manager to find out more details about the Twistlocks app.